Hi guys, let's welcome to the channel. Today's topic is irrational search. We will discuss about this. We will discuss about some problems about this topic, that is irrational numbers and search. The first problem looks like, that is root 12 plus root 3 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We all know that by using numbers this formula, but you don't know how to solve in this roots. I will show that. That is, in this a is equals to root 12, b is equals to root 3. Now we want to apply this formula, that is root 12 plus root 3 whole square, that is a square is root 12 whole square plus b square is root 3 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a is root 12, b is root 3. Now square and root will cancel, square and root will cancel. 2 plus 3 is 15 plus 2 into root 12, 2 into root 12 into root 3. That is, we want to first multiply this both. That is 2 into root 12 into root 3 is root 36 is equal to 15 plus 2 into root 36 is 6 plus 15 plus 2 into 6 is 12. Now 15 plus 12 is 27. So the answer of root 12 plus root 3 whole square is 27. Now second problem. I will read the question of second problem, that is root 600 plus root 54 divided by root 338 is equal to root x. But we want to find the value of x. Now root 100 we can write as root 100 into root 6 plus root 54 we can write as root 9 into root 6. We want to take the values of perfect squares. So it becomes easy. Divided by root 338 we can written as root 169 into root 2 is equals to root x. Now root 100 is 10 into root 6 plus root 9 is 3 into root 6 root 6 divided by root 169 is 13 by 2 is equal to root x. Now we want to 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 root x common, so root x divided by 13 by 2. Now 13 will cancel. Now the answer 3 is equals to root x, root 2 cancel, 2 1s, 2 3s, root 3, x is equals to 3. Root x is equals to root 3. Now the value of x is equals to 3. Now third question, that is u is equals to root 3 plus 1, then v is equals to root 3 minus 1. We want to solve the problem based on this. Now the first question, u plus v is equals to root n, but we want the value of n. Second question, that is value of uv means u into v divided by u minus v. Third question, value of v square minus u square divided by root over. Now we want to solve the first question. We want first question, that is u plus v. U means root 3 plus 1 plus v, that is root 3 minus 1 is equals to root n. Now plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 is equals to root n. Now we want to find the value of n. N want to come means root will go other side, that will become square, that is 2 root 3 whole square is equals to n. Now root 3 whole square, 2 root 3 whole square is 2 whole square into root 3 whole square, that is 2 square is 4, 4 into square root will cancel, 4 into 3, that is 12. The value of n is 12. Now we will solve second question. Now second question, that is value of u into v minus u minus v. U means root 3 plus 1 into v root 3 minus 1 divided by u minus v, that is root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. In this form, a is root 3, b is 1. Now root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now root 3 whole square is square and root cancel, 3 minus 1 is 2. In this numerator answer is 2 by, now root 3 2 by root 3 plus 1 minus means what to change the sign, that is I am writing the denominator, that is root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus into minus plus 1. Now root 3 get cancelled because plus and minus, 1 plus 1 is 2, the denominator is 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel, the answer is 1. The second answer is 1. Now I will solve the third question. That is v square minus u square. This is also you can write as v plus u into v minus u. That is v is root 3 minus, I am writing the direct answer, that is v square minus u square. V is root 3 minus whole square minus u is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now we want to solve the a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. That is root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into, I am writing the a minus b whole square, root 3 into 1 minus, want to keep the bracket because minus sign, want to solve the a plus b whole square, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 root 3 into, root 3 into 1. Now this square and root cancel, square and root cancel, like third, that is root 3, sorry, half an hour, just 3 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. I am writing the denominator. 4 minus 2 root 3 minus 1 to change the sign, that is minus 3 plus 1 is 4, minus into plus is minus 2 root 3. Now plus 4 minus 4 cancel, minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is divided by root 12. That is minus 2 root 3 because 2 times by root 12. Now this is, you can write as minus 2 root 3 divided by root 12, you can write it as 2 root 3 because here the square root 2 will go other side, means 2 side come. I will show. Here nothing there means 2 want to go other side, means it will take this also. So 3 into root square, that is root 3 into 4. Root 3 into root 4 is root 12. So root 12 can write it as 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 will cancel. The answer is minus 2. The answer of third question, that is minus